Before watch our video, please subscribe.
Guest list for the party's set. Your food's ready. All that remains is cleaning the pool. The iRobot Mirra 530 pool cleaning robot takes the work out of cleaning a pool and the work out of hosting your pool party with one touch of the clean button. Mirra gets to work. Using iAdapt Nautic responsive cleaning technology, Mirra sizes up your pool, then chooses the optimum cleaning cycle to deep clean every section, floor to water line, and everywhere in between. Mirra has a self-contained vacuum, pump, and filter system, so it works without hoses, suction pumps, or installation. Mirra circulates more than 4,000 gallons of water per hour, including distribution of pool chemicals and heated water. Because Mirra is totally independent, it does more than just give you a break, it gives the pool pump a break, cutting back on energy costs by reducing the overall runtime of the pool system. Designed for any in-ground pool, Mirra makes multiple passes, navigating obstacles as it picks up leaves, hair, dirt, and sand. Mirra also has a fine filter that captures smaller nuisances like silt, pollen, algae, and bacteria as tiny as 2 microns. Unlike suction cleaners or pressure cleaners, Mirra's active spinning scrub brush agitates the pool surface as Mirra moves. This allows Mirra to scrub and lift dirt, algae, and bacteria, the nasty stuff, off the pool floor and walls, including the water line where oils and bacteria build up. Mirra diligently cleans every section of your pool, making sure nothing tangled in the power cord as it climbs walls and changes directions. And check this out. Mirra is a scale climber. Its PVA wheels provide sponge-like traction to all pool surfaces, especially slick pool surfaces like ceramic and vinyl. 2 quick drain valves allow water to empty out of the robot and easily lightweight handle when the job is done. Mirra's properly filtered canisters are just pick out the basket and remove to the pool. Now it's time to enjoy yourself. Pool's clean, robots clean, and we're ready to party. No work, no stress, just good clean fun.
times have you put down a cold can of soda or an iced coffee, then forgot about it? The drink you come back to is now lukewarm. What are you going to do? Miserably drink it? Throw it out? It blew my mind that the only way to keep a drink cold was to use a refrigerator. It's a dumb problem, a lazy one at that, but I know I'm not preaching to an empty choir. I think I've got something that can fix our problem, and I'm calling it the drink induction chiller. No longer will we have to deal with melted ice and lukewarm soda. Let me introduce you to my one-of-a-kind, patent-pending invention. I wanted to build something that was incredibly simple, but something extraordinarily good at its task. It needed to fit on a desk and look modern on a nightstand. It doesn't stand out, it doesn't connect to your phone or collect your data. It makes your drink cool, and it keeps it cold. Will it change your life? Probably not. But is it worth the small investment to have a refreshing cold glass of water in your nightstand every morning and to not have to dump out iced drinks? I think so. Glass cup, can of soda, or an iced coffee, no matter what you drink, this can keep it cold. We custom designed all our prototypes from the ground up to get to a unit that I felt comfortable leaving in my bedroom. We decided to use thermoelectric cooling, a proven technology that requires minimum moving parts while producing a high output freezer. Today, we have a final product and have begun the tooling and manufacturing process. By supporting this campaign, you aren't buying an unfinished prototype hoping it'll become reality in a few years' time. This is a real product that will be manufactured by top-notch suppliers so that we can get it delivered to you as soon as possible. If you believe in simplicity, want a product that can do exactly what it's designed to do, and enjoy a cold drink, then I hope you'll consider supporting the drink induction chiller.
In the midst of a pandemic, we've decided to present you with an already rolling project which will enable us to work together with the common aim of fighting the virus that is taking human lives all over the planet. This is Corohook. By joining our forces to find the best solution to this problem, we realized that a tool is needed which will make it possible to avoid unnecessary bare hand contact in everyday errands. Everyday objects such as light switches, door handles, trolleys, and similar are constantly exposed not only to contact, but also to other influences such as coughs and sneezes that can easily transmit the virus to you. All around the world, potentially contaminated surfaces are touched more than 200 times per day. Doors, elevators, shopping carts, 3,000 POS terminal transactions in one single day. Together, we can stop this. Our main goal is to prevent a direct contact of humans with the virus, and with your help and collected funds, expand the production of this item, which in its function will not only assist in everyday use, but will also constantly keep raising awareness of the gravity of the situation with its presence to ensure a high level of hygiene, which at this point is the most an individual can do for himself and others. Due to the high contagiousness of the virus, we have striven to develop a solid but lightweight hook which, by being worn on the wrist or simply by being seen in public, will function as a constant reminder of the importance of hygiene and enable us to avoid contact with potentially virus-infected surfaces and objects in everyday situations. Corohook is great in reminding us to avoid touching door handles. It can also be used to operate a trolley in the store, carry a bag, or turn switches, or type in the code on an ATM. Thanks to Corohook, we can safely use our hands for smartphones, wallets, and keys because with its use, we can avert the key moment when the virus is transmitted to our personal belongings or to others. Moreover, by backing our campaign, you become part of our donation project, Buy One, Give One. Each item sold guarantees a Corohook to public health workers, firefighters, non-profit organizations, and people who cannot afford buying their own Corohook but need one just as we all do. We'll be very grateful for your help in any kind of way, and in the case of orders, we'll provide immediate delivery after a successful project or even sooner, which will be announced in our next update. Thanks for watching. Together, we are stronger.